Welcome to the first in a series of videos where I want to help explain to you some simple Excel functions that you should know if you want to properly use Microsoft Excel. For this first video, I want to go over some simple counting and descriptive functions to help you transition into Excel. Things off, we're going to look at the max and min functions. Now to the left is a data table that I created, giving the results of a fictional hot dog eating contest. In the data table, I have the name, sex, and the number of hot dogs eaten per person, as well as a quick calculation to see the rate at which the hot dogs were eaten. Now, the max and min functions are simple Excel functions that can give you a quick look at the range of data that you're looking at. Each equation just has one argument, and that is to select the range of data that you want to look at. For example, for the max function, you just type in max, and then select the range of data that you want to look at. In this case, the maximum number of hot dogs eaten was 74 hot dogs. Likewise, you can type in equals min to find the smallest number. In this case, the smallest number of hot dogs eaten was 31 hot dogs. Now that we've looked at the max and min functions, we're going to look at some similar functions. In this case, we're going to look at the average, median, and sum functions. Now the average function will give you the arithmetic mean of the numbers that you're looking at. In this case, the average is slightly over 46 hot dogs per person. Now as you can see, the average function will often give you a good number of decimal points, depending on the size of the cell that you put the equation in. Now if you don't care about the decimals and you want a round number, you can do as I just did, average, then select the range of data you want. Then you want to come up here to the Home tab of the Excel ribbon, and right under the bar where you select your data type, you want to go here and change the number of decimal points down to it's just a whole number, and normal rounding rules will apply. Now similar to the average, you also want to look at the median. This is good in case you want to get a better picture of your data, just in case there are some outliers. So you just type in equals median, again select your data range. In this case, there is a slight difference between the average and median numbers for number of hot dogs. Now finally, we're going to look at the sum function. Now the sum function is a quick, simple way to add up a large array of numbers. You just type in equals sum and select the numbers you want to add up. In this case, 836 hot dogs were eaten in this competition. RIP. I hope that was helpful. This is a quick look at some simple Excel functions that you should know.